Alright guys, here I am trying to just waiting for 5G activation and waiting to die at this point. Government's going to kill all of us with the help of the WHO. But I thought I'd take a moment just to show you a little trick. If you're fiddling with wiring, I don't really need to fiddle with this wiring, but for some reason the amp keeps turning off and it's not the amp. So I was playing with these, hoping that maybe I can put some temporary connections so I can plug things in and unplug things. And so these signal wires are very tiny, and I am short of, you're supposed to use the red ones for those, and that's the only set that I have. But I have a lot of these larger ones. These are for larger wires. But I want to show you a little trick how you can actually use these larger ones with a smaller wire like that. It's sort of a back home type of trick. You're going to want to cut off a little piece, maybe an inch or an inch and a quarter. That's a little over an inch there. Maybe that's an inch and an eighth. And what you're going to do is on one side, you're going to strip it. All right. And then all you're going to do is you are going to mate these two together just like that. And then you're going to take your little plug. This is a female in that case. And then you're going to crimp it, and on the end here, red, blue, yellow, for those of you that don't know, that's what that's for. Then you're just going to crimp it. You always want to crimp it from the back first, all the way back. Make sure you're pushing back. Give it a nice crimp, then come forward and give it a nice crimp. And there you go. Now you have, that's all set. Now, someone may complain, oh, well, that's going to short out. First of all, no, it's not. The odds of that touching something is so minuscule, it's might as well be non-existent. But if you're really desperate to make sure, you can just take a small piece of electrical tape and wrap it around there. Or if you have a hot glue gun, you can put a drop of hot glue on there. But you're not going to have any problems with that. So, all right, so that's that trick. And then you can, there's another trick. See, I actually, I'm short butt connectors, so I did the same thing here in order to create an extension. That's ultimately why I'm disconnecting these, is because I want an extension so I can troubleshoot this bit by bit. And now we have an extension. Boom, look at that. All right,